This is how to get off and install the Hyundai Sonata 2002 up to 2008 evap canister for the gas. If you're having problems with your gas nozzle or a gas intake, when you are refilling and it's cutting off and on at the gas station, this might be the culprit. It goes right here, you can see under, and we're going to open this bolt, and then it's going to open. It has like a little gate thing, hinge, so it will be able to open downwards and our canister will drop down. But things just to watch out for is you have to unhook this line. It's a thin line that comes from this section here. You have to unhook this line from it's I think a return line towards the gasoline tank, and also this one that goes right here, and also there's this little one that goes into this. But when you are opening when you are uninstalling or removing your old one, be very careful when you are pulling off your hoses. Use a small flat screwdriver to push it backwards so that you can loosen the grip or any holding objects that might be around. So once you pull it off, you should be able to get it off. But 2005 have a different line though. It has like a 4-lane 2005 has a 4-lane that goes into the vehicle, and that's where the problem is. There's this line here. It's a sensor, I think. Might be wrong. This is a sensor. This is how it should be able to come off. But the problem you're going to run into is one. There's a pin that goes in here, around here, comes down and goes down, and that pin is right here. This little pin here. This thing won't come off. This thing, this sensor flag won't come off for you to be able to switch it to your old one. The only way to get this thing off is either to cut your line that goes into your vehicle, which I will not recommend, but if you get it from somewhere, a junkyard, like mine is used one, I just pull it from a Hyundai Sonata vehicle. So that was in a junkyard. It costed me almost $15. Still new, not very new, but still usable. And there are some things that you will be surprised with. Once this canister gets hold, there are some charcoals which will start kind of following the gas return line to the tank, and then it will block. Once it blocks, when your gases are running back from the tank, they won't be able to go, the gas won't be able to flow back in case of an overflow. So to avoid these problems, sometimes you don't overfill your vehicle to the maximum, beyond what the maximum of the tank is. So I think now you know how to replace a canister evap for Hyundai Sonata 2002, 2005, 2006, up to I think 2008. But this one has 4 lanes for 2005, and we are trying to install it into a 2002 Hyundai Sonata. So things to watch for is everything should be open should be opening just fine, but there's this safety lock here that was going around here, and it was locking with this little lock here. So wherever you're pulling this thing back, your plug won't be able to pull. So the moment you get this off, you should be able to have it easy to pull it off and install the other lane from your vehicle. So it means when I'm going to get my own, the one that is original in the vehicle, I have to either open this and leave it in, and then plug it back in. For now you know. Thank you for watching. This is Hyundai Sonata 2002 evap Canister install and dismantling. Thank you.